Today we're going to be making Japchae, which are stir-fried sweet potato noodles with mixed vegetables. To begin with, we're going to cook our noodles. Into a pot of boiling water, place 180 grams of dangmyeon, which are Korean sweet potato noodles. Give the pot a stir occasionally to make sure that the noodles don't stick together. After the 15 minutes, when the noodles are soft, take them out and place them into a bowl of cold water. That'll help rinse off some of the starch so that they don't stick together while stir-frying. Next, we'll prepare our vegetables. Cut into 4 cm pieces 4 pieces of garlic chives. We'll remove the stems from 2 shiitake mushrooms, and then we'll slice them thinly. We'll take 20 enoki mushrooms and we'll cut them in half. We'll julienne 1/4 piece of capsicum. Next, we'll julienne 1/4 of a piece of carrot. And we'll thinly slice 1 brown onion. Next, we'll heat a heavy-bottom skillet over medium-low heat. We'll add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We'll also add in 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Once the oil is heated up, place the brown onions into the pan and stir-fry for 1 or 2 minutes until they've softened. Next, add in the carrots and stir-fry for another 20 seconds. Then we'll add in our dried shiitake mushrooms and stir-fry for another 10 seconds. Then we'll add in our capsicum and stir-fry for about 20 seconds. Next, we'll add in our cooked sweet potato noodles. Give those a good mix so that they incorporate readily with the vegetables. We'll also add to the pan 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds. We'll give everything a mix together and we'll cook the mixture until the sauce reduces and incorporates with the noodles. Next, we'll add in our garlic chives, our enoki mushrooms, and lastly 40 grams of rinsed bean sprouts. We'll give everything another mix together for a few seconds. We'll turn off the heat, and then we'll place everything onto a plate. And then lastly, to finish, a little sprinkling of sesame seeds, just to make it pretty.